Now we are going to learn an experiment to show acid solutions conduct electricity. So what is the apparatus setup for this experiment? Look at the apparatus setup. There is a beaker, maybe a 100 ml beaker. Then a cork is here, a rubber cork is here, and two iron nails are fixed on the cork. Then these iron nails are connected to the battery, bulb and switch by using electric wires. So wires are used to connect these iron nails to the battery, bulb and the switch. So this is the apparatus setup for the experiment to show acid solutions conduct electricity. So in this experiment, first of all we are taking dilute hydrochloric acid solution. So dilute hydrochloric acid solution can be taken first. Dilute hydrochloric acid solution. So if we are using dilute hydrochloric acid solution in the beaker, we have to switch on first, then we are observing what is happening. So if we are closing the circuit, or after closing the circuit, we can see that the bulb glows. So the bulb will glow when we are using dilute hydrochloric acid solution. So when we switch on, we can see that, or we can observe that the bulb will glow if we are using dilute hydrochloric acid solution in the beaker. So that is the observation. So in dilute hydrochloric acid, if we are using dilute hydrochloric acid solution, the observation is the bulb glows. So the glowing of the bulb indicates that there is electricity, there is flow of electricity. So in this case, what is carrying electricity? Normally we know that electricity is carried by electrons. In this case, no electrons are there, some charged particles are there to carry electricity. So in this case, the acid dissociates, or acid solutions dissociates or ionizes to produce some ions. So these ions are charged particles. So these charged particles or ions are produced in acid solutions. So those charged particles will carry electricity in this case. So all acid solutions, if acid solutions in water, dilute hydrochloric acid solution means hydrochloric acid solution in water. So in water, acid produces ions, we know that. So those ions are charged particles. So in the case of solution, electricity is carried by those charged particles. So by the presence of these charged particles, electricity is carried and the bulb glows. So that is the conclusion. So acid solutions conduct electricity because of the charged particles present in it. So these charged particles will carry electricity. So that is why the bulb glows. So this is the first case. If we are using dilute HCl, or we are using HNO3, nitric acid, or if we are using sulfuric acid, in all these cases we will get the same observation. So the conclusion is acid solutions produces ions. So they are charged particles, and these charged particles will carry electricity. So the bulb glows. So we can conclude that all acid solutions conduct electricity because acid solutions produce ions in solutions. Those ions carry electricity. So this is the first case. Then if you are using another solution like glucose solution or alcohol solution. So instead of dilute hydrochloric acid or any other acid, if we are using glucose solution or alcohol solution, so in this case the observation is the bulb will not glow. So in this case the observation is the bulb the bulb does not glow. So why the bulb doesn't glow? This means there is no charged particles. In this case, these glucose solution or alcohol solution will not produce any ions in solution. So due to the absence of those ions, the solution will not conduct electricity and the bulb does not glow. So that is the reason. So in this case, glucose solution or alcohol solution does not produce any ions. So no charged particles are formed in the solution. So nothing is there to carry electricity. So no charged particles are there. So the solution will not conduct electricity and the bulb will not glow. So that is the reason. So if we are using dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute nitric acid or dilute sulfuric acid, any of the acid we are using, all the cases the bulb will glow because the solution will produce ions. So those ions will carry electricity. In the case of glucose solution or alcohol solution, we cannot see that the bulb glow. So in that case the bulb doesn't glow, that means there is no ions. So glucose or alcohol will not produce any charged particles or any ions. So electricity will not be conducted in the solution.